I want that car, that house, have money, and so forth. You always hear people saying they want this, they want that, but yet you always hear them say, oh, I'm so broke, I don't have money, I wish I could afford this, and yada yada yada. What if I tell you, yes, you can have your dream house, your dream car, and have money? You can make that happen applying the law of attraction. Why am I so close? Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about what is the law of attraction and how to apply it to your everyday life. I will be giving you the big picture because if I focus on all the elements, then this video will be 2 to 3 hours long. And so I will be making about 3 to 4 videos on this same topic. So what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction in simple language is basically the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. So in other words, whatever you focus on, you release your energy into it. The universe then responds with the same energy. You are a magnet. Whatever you are, that's what you are, what is drawn to you. It requires high levels of self-discipline, self-awareness, and a passionate desire to succeed. If you hold negative thoughts, think of failure, and focus on the impossibilities, then that's what the universe will give you. Why do you think all the people that complain about being broke are always broke? That's because that's what they are focusing on. That's what they're focusing their energy on. You do not need to believe in any type of religion to believe in the law of attraction. All you need to do is apply it to your everyday life. So I will be giving you or showing you 5 ways to apply the law of attraction into your life. But before I do that, I want to make it clear that this is not magic. You cannot just ask for a nice car and expect it to magically appear in your driveway in 3 days. That's not how it works. The number one thing you have to do is visualize. Whatever it is that you desire, visualize it in your mind. When you visualize exactly what you want, you make a request to the universe to guide you towards its achievement. Write that $50,000 check and keep it somewhere safe. Believe you are going to use it. You need to envision yourself checking your account balance and finding that amount. Go as far as budgeting for that money. Plan how you will use that money as you carry out your daily activities. Work like you are accumulating the $50,000. If the money is to help you set up a business, for instance, start looking around for a project location. You must be very specific on what is it that you want. If you dream about having a big house, how many bedrooms will it have? How many baths? Will it have a pool? How will you decorate it? Visualize yourself walking inside the house, sleeping in that bedroom, etc. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imaginary and reality. You should use this time to visualize having what you want.
Your life. Total believer. Yeah, I believe in manifestation. I believe in, putting a rocket of desire out into the universe, and you get it when you believe it. You get it when you believe you have it, and that's the key. Is like people still, they sit around going, when's it going to come? 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 And that's the wrong way. You're facing the wrong way. You're facing away from it. You have to go, it's here, it's here, it's here.
Write yourself a check? I heard that you did. Is that true?
I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, and I put it in my wallet, and I kept it there, and it deteriorated and stuff, but then just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million on, I think it was Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber.
Train your thoughts. Your thoughts can be the biggest obstacle to achieving what you desire. It can deceive you. There is so much negativity in the world today that it has unfortunately become a norm. It is hard to stay positive sometimes. People jokingly say, oh my God, I'm so stupid, I shouldn't have done that. Though they may not have meant it at all, it is still a message sent to the universe, and it is about to come back to them. This is the hardest technique for me because I always tend to overanalyze things way too much. And when you overanalyze, you tend to not just think about the positive, but also the negative. And so you have to train your mind to think positively and stay away from all kind of negativity, including innocent jokes. The mind is very powerful and the energy released is real. The thoughts and feelings you hold today are sure to be manifested as tomorrow's experiences. Sometimes something that I have started to do recently is to meditate. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. All you really need is a few minutes every day. Step away from all of the hustles of daily life and have some quiet time, even if it is for 5 minutes. It clears your head and gives you the inner peace and clarity you need. With a clear mind and a quiet soul, it becomes easy to clarify where your passions truly lie and what your goals and desires are.
If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. That's
vibrations. Now, focus on things that make you happy, things that you love, and things that you are grateful for. Gratitude is one of the most important powers of the law of attraction. You need to be grateful for what you already have and be very specific. You need to give thanks every day for everything that you have, and the most important little things that we sometimes take for granted, like water, air, our senses, my home, my bed, my family, etc. I'm not going to focus so much on this one because my next video is actually going to be on how to... Oh my god, it's so hot. I feel like my hair is just getting puffier and puffier and frizzier. Anyway, so there are actually a lot of books about the law of attraction. I know that The Secret is actually one of the most famous ones. Is actually how I've heard about the law of attraction. Actually, no. I was actually looking for a movie on Netflix, and this was years ago. And then I stopped by on The Secret, which is a book, but they made a movie out of it. So I actually saw the movie first. And because I'm such a book nerd, I'm like, I need to get the book. So I did get the book, and that's how I was introduced to the law of attraction. And then I also started, I'm a very big fan of Will Smith and Jim Carrey. And then I found out that they actually follow the law of attraction. And I just started to get more into it. And I did start, applying it to my everyday life. But I just kind of like, I don't know, I just stopped for whatever the reason. But until recently, I actually started applying it again. And I'm actually reading this book. I have it right here. It's called The Magic. So this is also from Rhonda Byrne, and she's the author from The Secret. So just to give you an example, so this is more of like a practice, like a journal type of book. So you have like to do a lot of exercises like every day or every week or something. So let me just give you an idea. For example, it says magical practice number 1. So this one, count your blessings. So first thing in the morning, make a list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Write why you're grateful for each blessing. And then, so as you can see here, it's just, well, not that you can, I don't know if you can even focus, but just to give an idea what it is. You just basically do some the exercises every day, and it kind of like helps you.
And one book that resonates with me all the time is this book right here. It's called The Secret. It is the most powerful book outside of the Bible that I have ever read in my life. And the book is based on the law of attraction and how that principle, once you master it, can help you find wealth, happiness, better health, whatever you're looking for, relationships.
So yeah, so this is really cool. Again, I really do recommend it. So The Secret, The Magic, and I'm pretty sure there's like tons of other books out there. Just search it out, and yeah, just wanted to show you.
A lot of people were surprised when they found out that you've been signing your name as Champ 2011. How did that come about?
I believe in the law of attraction, and I believe that that you can speak things into existence. And I believe that when you know where you're going and you know what you want, the universe has a way of stepping aside for you. And me signing my signature with Champion 2011 on it, it can't hurt me. It can't hurt me. It could only help me to believe it even more, you know. So yeah, I mean, it works for me.
An uppercut. Jones to the body. And it is all over. John Jones.
All right, you guys. Oh my God, it's so hot. I feel like I'm just like sweating. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this helped you to understand the law of attraction a little bit more. I know there's tons of videos on YouTube and everywhere that you can actually learn more about the law of attraction, but definitely try to incorporate it into your life, because I've actually seen it work for me. I started, again, until recently, I want to say maybe like 3 months ago, I started applying it into my life, and I've seen some changes. Again, this is not magic. It's not like you say you want a big house and you're gonna have it in like a month. You know, but like once you start understanding more how the law of attraction works, you'll definitely see it working for you. So again, just like this video, you found it helpful, and stay tuned, because I will be posting more on the law of attraction, how to apply gratitude to the law of attraction, how to use a vision board, and a visualization to the law of attraction. So thanks so much for watching.